Hi, guys. In this video, I will show you how to do the helicopter escape in Granny Chapter 2. You will need all three pieces of the painting that you will need to put here. Put all three pieces of the painting into the square and get the shotgun for the next one. And make sure the shotgun is loaded. For the next one is a shotgun minigame where you have to shoot all three targets to get past the next one. Get the shotgun. The three moving targets have for sequences, so make sure you aim at the right time. If you run out of ammo, you can look at the bottom right and see a dispenser that dispenses an infinite amount of ammo. Once you've done the shotgun minigame, go to the next area where you'll have to do the glass fuse. All you have to do is put the glass fuse into the little socket. But this is what happens if you don't put the glass fuse into the socket. The floor opens when you try to go past, and then you end up in the kitchen falling down and hurting your leg. And then you'll have to go back to the security room to go up the ladder that would lead you to the attic. Insert the glass fuse in the socket, and then you can go past. Once you go past, the helicopter you will see will be the last part. This is the final part of the escape. The helicopter. Here is some things you need for the helicopter. The gasoline can. The helicopter key. And the duct tape. For the gasoline, go to the back of the helicopter until you find a hole that lets you put the gasoline in. Press and hold this button to put the gas inside. Make sure the bar on the bottom right goes to the top. Now, for the duct tape, go to the helicopter propeller that's in front, and then use the duct tape on it. Now for the final part. For the helicopter key, just take the key and go inside the helicopter, then press the button that says engine start. Now, like this cool escape cutscene, if you don't want to look at it, then skip to 352.